So in today's video, we're going to replace the rear derailleur. We got a new one here. Kind of looks a lot like the one I already have on. We'll see though. So I finally broke down and bought myself some link pliers. Last time when I was adjusting this, trying to get it as maxed out as possible to reach the 34T cog, it was a pain in the butt. So I went out and bought a new pair. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove the chain. Wow, that makes things way easier. Okay, so I actually went ahead, let me get my other glove on here. So I took these out the last time to try to adjust the derailleur, and so I'm just going to set them here when I go to measure the new chain. This one's brand new, so I'm going to go ahead and use it again, and I'll just hold on to this one. Actually, I'll use this one for the Monterre. You also want to see how much stretch there was, so I'm going to line them up and see. Looks like there was a little bit of stretch, but not much. You really want to make sure you get it lined up, and you can see there how I got it lined up. And you're going to hear it. It's going to make a sound here real quick, and you're going to be, there you go, see, now it's broken free. And go ahead and just spin that, keep spinning that around until the pin, you can see the pin right there coming out. And there you go. And there's the pin. Okay, so I'm going to show you how much stretch there is in this chain. So you can kind of see that it's all lined up here. Take a look at that. There's quite a bit of difference there. Yeah, so it's time for a new chain. Okay, so before we add the chain, we're going to go ahead and replace the derailleur. So I actually clipped a little too much off on the cable, However, I can still make it work, so let me go ahead and tighten this sucker down. Okay, so it looks like we're back in business now. There's about 3 millimeters of travel there, distance between the cogs and the pulley. So you can hear it. It's a whole lot quieter now. I still got to oil the chain, lube the chain, I should say. But other than that, it's very, very good. It works now. Back in business.
Still saying, gotta have some fun on the downhill, right?
Oh shit!